Hello, welcome back guys to Spotarya channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to clear data in Yandex on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And then without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first of course you just have to open your Yandex applications over here. And now if you wanna delete or if you wanna clear the data in your Yandex, just go ahead on this three slice icon at the bottom. Now tap on this settings. After in the settings, tap on this security and privacy. Now you just have to scroll down. At the bottom we'll find out the clear data option, which is the red font. If you want to clear the data on your Yandex, just tap on these options. Here you can use what kinds of data that you want to clear, guys, like history, cookies, cache, set warnings, open tabs previews, and open tab previews. So if you want to delete all this data, just tap on this clear data option at the bottom. Now tap on clear data, guys. Now we just have to wait for a second, and at the bottom we'll find out the information that the data is already cleared. So yeah, I think it's enough guys, a tutorial from me how to clear data in Yandex on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.